ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 83. పౌండ్రక వధ వర్ణనం, వివిధ వధ వర్ణనం చ. ద స్లేయింగ్ ఆఫ్ పౌండ్రక ఎట్సెట్రా. భాగవత స్కంద 10 chapters 65 to 68 are condensed in this dashaka. Shloka 1. रामेऽथ गोकुलगते प्रमदाप्रसक्ते हूतानुपेतयमुना दमने मदान्धे स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढो दूतं न्ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रकवासुदेवः. Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Rame Gokulagate, when Balarama had gone to Gokula. Pramada Prasakte, was engaged in sporting with the damsels. Madandhe, and was intoxicated with liquor. Hutanupeta Yamunadamane, Huta, when. Called. Anupeta, which did not come. Yamunadamana, subduing Yamuna, and subdued the Yamuna river, which did not come to him when called. Svairam Samaramati, was sporting happily. Paundraka Vasudevaha, Paundraka Vasudeva. Sevaka Vadamudaha, misled by the advice of his sycophant courtiers. Tava, to thee. Dutam, a messenger. Nyayunkta, sent. Full meaning. While Balarama had gone to Gokula and was sporting with the damsels there, in a state of intoxication, he called upon river Yamuna to come to him, and when the river did not respond, he subdued it, changed its course for the convenience of water sports. During that time, one Paundraka Vasudeva, the king of Karusa, sent a messenger to thee on the advice of his sycophant courtiers. Note: perhaps the first portion of this verse is a poetic way of saying that Balarama got a canal constructed from the Yamuna to Gokula. Om Tat Sat.